This video will demonstrate the recommended process on how to brew tea. Begin each brew cycle with a clean empty brew funnel and server. Be sure the server lid doesn't interfere with the flow of dilution water. Insert a bund filter into the brew funnel. Pour the packet of loose fresh tea leaves into the brew funnel. Approximately 3 to 5 ounces is recommended for 3 gallons of beverage. Level the bed of tea by lightly shaking. Slide the brew funnel into the funnel reels on the brewer, making sure that it is fully seated in the back of the funnel reels. Press the Enable Brew On/Off button to on position. Select a batch size. Momentarily press and release the assigned brew switch. The display will read "Now brewing," which shows the time remaining in the brew cycle. Following the brew will be a countdown of drip time. The display screen will read "Dripping" and will show time remaining. Carefully remove the brew funnel and discard filter only after visible dripping has stopped.